Staking has become one of the most popular ways to make a profit in crypto without doing anything, but still some people consider it quite technical, hence they decide not to go for it. But staking is quite easy and profitable if you believe in the potential of cryptocurrencies. And now, if you are interested in staking cryptocurrencies to earn profit, watch this video until the end, as we will be explaining everything about staking to make it easier for you to understand. But remember that anything explained in this video is not a financial advice, so always conduct your own research before getting into anything. We will also show you in this video how you can easily make money with cryptocurrencies as a beginner with 7 simple steps. Now, without any further delay, let's start the video with the introduction of crypto staking. Basically, staking can be thought of as the crypto equivalent of placing money in a high-yield savings account, as staking allows cryptocurrency owners to put their digital assets to work and earn passive income without having to sell them. Like when you put money in a savings account, the bank often lends it out to others. You receive a percentage of the interest gained by lending in exchange for locking up that money with the bank, although a very little portion. Similarly, when you stake your digital assets, you lock up the coins in order to contribute to the blockchain's operation and security. In exchange, you will receive prizes calculated in percentage yields. These returns are typically much higher than any interest rate offered by banks. Now you must be thinking how staking actually works. And understanding this point is very crucial if you want to make money with it, so let's delve deeper into how crypto staking actually works. To begin, you must realize that staking is only feasible through the proof of stake consensus mechanism, which is a way employed by some blockchains such as Ethereum, Solana, and Phantom to select honest participants and verify new blocks of data being added to the network. Furthermore, by requiring network participants known as validators or stakers to purchase and store a specific amount of tokens, it makes it unappealing to act dishonestly in the network. However, if the blockchain is tainted in any way by criminal activity, the native token linked with it is likely to fall in value, and the perpetrators stand to lose money. The stake is thus the validator's skin in the game to guarantee they act honestly and in the best interests of the network. Validators receive benefits in the native coin in exchange for their commitment. The greater their stake, the greater their chances of proposing a new block and collecting the prizes. After all, the more skin you have in the game, the more likely you are to be an honest player. However, keep in mind that the stake does not have to contain all of one person's coins, as validators frequently manage a staking pool and raise funds from a group of token holders via delegation, decreasing the barrier to entry for more people to participate in staking. And this is how every holder can participate in the staking process, by delegating their coins to stake pool operators, who undertake all of the heavy labor involved with validating blockchain transactions. Now that you understand what is staking and how it works, it's time to learn which popular cryptocurrencies you can stake and how to stake them. But before we delve into that, subscribe to our channel Money Internet if you want to listen to more tips and financial recommendations for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As previously stated, staking is only possible with cryptocurrencies linked to blockchains that employ the proof of stake consensus method. The most notable cryptocurrencies with such technique are Ethereum ETH, Cardano ADA, and Solana Sol, Avalanche AVAX, Polkadot, Olive 0, and many other designs are available. And now that you know which popular coins can be staked, let's see how we can start staking. To start staking, you must first acquire digital assets that can be staked. If you've already purchased any, you'll need to move the coins from the exchange or app where you purchased them to an account that supports staking. Most major cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, provide staking possibilities on their platforms, which is a convenient method to put your coins to work. If you want to optimize your benefits, there are services that specialize in obtaining the best interest rates on your digital assets. Everstake, Blockdaemon, Figment, and MyContainer are examples of staking as a service systems. It's also worth mentioning that any coins you transfer to a staking pool remain your property. You can always withdraw your staked assets. However, there is normally a waiting period, which can be days or weeks, depending on the blockchain. You can also become a validator and manage your own staking pool. However, in order to be successful, much more attention, experience, and money are required. Not to add, in order to become a validator on certain blockchains, you must first obtain sufficient cash from delegate stakers. As with every type of investing, especially in crypto, there are risks you need to consider. So let's see the risks regarding staking cryptocurrencies. We all know cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which means that price declines can soon overshadow the benefits you receive. As a result, staking is ideal for people who intend to hold their asset for the long term regardless of market fluctuations. Some coins have a minimum lockup period during which you cannot remove your staking assets. If you wish to withdraw your assets from a staking pool, each blockchain has a different waiting period before you can get your money back. There is also a counterparty risk associated with the staking pool operator, such as you may miss out on incentives if the validator fails to do its job effectively and is fined. Finally, staking pools can be compromised, resulting in the loss of all staked cash. And because the assets are not insured, there is little to no chance of recompense. And you must be wondering, how much can we make with staking cryptocurrencies? As you may have guessed by now, staking is an excellent alternative for investors who want to generate yields on their long-term investments, but aren't concerned with short-term price swings. The average staking reward rate of the top 261 staked assets, according to statistics, exceeds 11% yearly yield. Fees can have an impact on rewards because staking pools deduct fees from the rewards for their work, affecting overall percentage yields. This varies widely between pools and between blockchains. However, you can maximize your returns by selecting a staking pool with minimal commission fees and a promising track record of validating a large number of blocks. This also reduces the possibility of the pool being punished or suspended from the validation process. And finally, as promised, let us explain 7 ways with which beginners can make money with cryptocurrency staking. First one is staking with a wallet. Staking is a function offered by some wallets that allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings by holding and staking them in the wallet. Another way is staking pools. Beginners can participate in staking pools, which are groups of people that pool their resources in order to gain a bigger return on their staked assets. Then comes delegated staking. Some platforms allow users to delegate their staked assets to professional validators for a charge, allowing them to earn a return without requiring the technical expertise required for solo staking. Another option is liquid staking. Some programs allow users to stake their assets while still having the opportunity to remove them at any moment. Cold staking is another way. Cold staking is a type of cryptocurrency staking that allows users to earn interest on their assets while putting them in cold storage, such as a hardware wallet, for further protection. Staking can also be done as a service. Staking as a service is provided by some companies, allowing consumers to earn interest on their assets without having to set up and maintain the technical components of staking themselves. And finally comes via nodes, because some projects allow users to run a node and earn cryptocurrency in exchange for supporting the network. It's very important to note that these methods may vary depending on the project and the crypto, so do your own research before starting any type of staking. That concludes the video about crypto staking, in which we covered how crypto staking works, which type of blockchains and which coins can be staked, along with how beneficial staking can be. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and keep watching more crypto videos that will provide more tips and financial recommendations for making money with staking cryptocurrency, stocks, and finances. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.